What up? This is going to be a very basic vlog style video, so I'm just going to take you on my day. We're going to go visit the guys at Redlands Motorsports and try to find out if we're going to be able to work with them to film all kinds of cool truck and Jeep content.
So for a while, I've been trying to find a really good Jeep to use for some of the videos that I'm making. And I want to have a good connection with a good company. So I looked around the internet, I talked with some locals, I saw some cars, and I found somebody that I thought would be a good fit for them. I am gonna go take these XK Glow products to Redlands Motorsports. We're gonna hop in Jonathan's Jeep, cruise down the hill, hope that we don't get any death wobble. If you wanna hear about death wobble, I didn't even know what it was until we experienced it the other day. I'm gonna link up his video. So I want you to get to check out Jonathan's videos and see. So he's actually gonna update his whole channel name and everything. Let's go down to Redlands Motorsports. I'm gonna grab my last little thing from the office and then we'll head out. Okay, that doesn't need to go. These I should take, everything working fine. Yes, what? Oh, that wasn't on for a second. That was weirding me out. Okay, good to go. Why don't I ever do my neighbor's truck? Look at that big old beast. 2500 RBC ink. I should probably do my neighbor's truck. Redlands, yeah boy. So yeah, even though this isn't like a profitable endeavor right now and we're just kind of cruising and doing what we do. Oh, check it out, can we actually see? I just enjoy the adventure of it. I honestly do. I think it's cool. I have no idea what I'm doing. The guy that I'm gonna go see right now doesn't know I'm coming, I hope. And I'm just gonna roll up cold, pitch him, be like, do this cool thing, not because it necessarily helps me directly, but I just think it's a good thing to do. And we'll see what happens. It might completely go bad, and if it does, I'll make a video about things not going my way. Downtown Redlands is dope. It's just expensive though. I want to get dope food here, and I never do, because it's just, I don't want to spend 80 bucks on dinner. Jeez. There's Redlands Motorsports. Okay, this is the kind of fight it's gonna be. And you see this, all the projects, all the stuff. Man, this place looks crazy. We meet or beat all internet prices. Check that out. Damn. Damn, there's some dope ass Jeeps out here. Okay. So where do we go? Dang. This is all stuff I don't know about. I know nothing about these, but they look freaking cool. Jonathan's in heaven right now. What do you think about them?
These are sick. I like this spot.
I don't even know if we can hear what we're saying.
I'm leaving FlyRyde.
Yeah. Yo. Well, that looks freaking cool in here. Yeah. Look at that. I want one of those. I want to do that. Looks like a super cool thing to do. How's it going, man? Zach, who are you? Tell me who you are, brother.
I'm Zack, Redlands Motorsports. We build fun toys.
All right, let's look at toys.
So I mean, he likes his build flashy. Everything he has is basically bronze. Everything he's got.
Right.
He's got his cage all bronze on the inside. Everything he wanted to is, I mean, for that color.
And what year is this?
I want to say it's a 16.
Nice.
16. He likes, like I said, he likes his bronze. He's got his beadlock bronze on there.
It's funny. I know nothing about Jeeps, but I know it's just such a booming thing, especially out here in SoCal.
Rock crawling's big. We got a mountain right next to us. You know,
yeah,
in the desert.
right?
We got a giant mountain that's sitting on the side of us, and people like to go play in it.
Yeah, I get it, man.
This is the brain for the S-Pod.
Okay, the S-Pod, got it.
It basically isolates all the wiring.
Yeah, it's a bunch of individual relays.
Yeah,
so that's the same exact thing as ride controller.
Is that the shop Jeep over there? Or what?
Which one? No, that's Rob's. That's our owner.
That's the owner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
That one's fun.
Yeah, it looks
5
insane.
coilovers, triple bypass. What's up, Brett? What's going on? This is Brett.
And we got Brett. What up, Brett?
He might be even somebody you'd be interested in talking to as well. LS3 swaps.
That's crazy.
Maybe get him to start it. I'd let you over here videotape our Gladiator, but it's kind of under wraps until SEMA.
Yeah, I believe it. Are you the shop mascot? Well, I will give you guys some love on the YouTubes. I appreciate your time for sure, my man. So we'll definitely chat soon, okay? Okay, I think that went good. Did that go good?
That went great.
Okay, so hopefully I think we did a good job for XK Glow right now, and a really cool environment to shoot awesome videos of trucks and Jeeps and UTVs and all the things. So back in the Jeep, back to the shop, let's go. Hey, we are back. I don't know, is my mic still on? It is still on. Is that one on? It is still on. Cool. Well, that was a successful mission. I think we got some stuff to talk about.
All right, so big shout out to Zack. That guy was dope. He took us in, showed us all this crazy stuff, some secret things I couldn't bring the camera for. Really crazy stuff there. Good things. I'm super stoked. Today was dope, but it wasn't a video where I teach you all sorts of crazy stuff. It's more just a little trip inside of my day and showing you a little bit about FlyRyde. So let me know, do you want me to do more Jeep, truck, off-road content? Is that stuff that you're into? If you think so, comment down below. Let me know what particular Jeep, truck, off-road vehicle, UTV, whatever, things that you've never seen me do. Even motorcycles. You want me to do motorcycles? Let me know. We're gonna do some crazy stuff coming up, and I just wanna make sure that it's tailored towards what you guys are into, and you're pretty much across the board, so I don't know. We're gonna see how it goes. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.